Fine, let me start about the fraction. Right here, see what happens, what exactly the fraction is. A fraction, it's very simple one, right? When a number or any quantity is divided into equal parts, one or more such parts is known as fraction. Right, see, read again. See, when a number or any quantity is divided into equal parts, one or more of such parts is known as fraction. You know, you learned already in the school, right? See here, see a, it's in the form of a by b, a by b, where b is not equal to 0. B shouldn't be equal to 0. So then it is going to be considered as a fraction. So a by b, what represents, means a number of parts, a number of parts. Suppose if it is, suppose if you go for a circle, right, now you are going to make two parts, right? A number of parts, see, let us take how many number of parts you did, that is 2 equal parts you did. Out of that, 1 you have taken, that is 1 by 2. This is 1 by 2. You can represent like this. Suppose if you divide again, right, what happens here? How many parts here? 4 parts here. This is nothing but b, and as well as how many parts you have, that is 1. 1 by 4 is the fraction. You see, means a by b means a number of parts out of b number of equal parts of a thing. Every fraction has a numerator and as well as denominator. So here this is called as numerator, and this is called as denominator. So numerator, what it represents, a number of parts we have. Denominator represents total parts in a whole. Right. Let us just check out with some figures right here. Here, how many parts here? 1 and 2 is there. How many parts you have? That is 1 part you have. This is going to be represented as 1 by 2 or half. Here, let us check out this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 parts are there. 4 equal parts. That is very important thing. Right. How many parts you have? 1. Here, 3. Right. 1 part. This is going to be represented at 1 by 3. Here, so 1, 2, 2, and as well as 1 by 2. Similarly, here you have to count it now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 equal parts are there. How many parts you have? That is, how many parts is colored? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 by 12. Right here. Now you know that is, this is 1 by 4. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, and as well as 1 by 5. This is 1, 2, right? 2 parts you have, and as well as here, how many equal parts are there? 4 equal parts are there. 4. Right. This is 3 parts it is you have, and as well as 4 equal parts are there. It is 3 by 4. This is what the fraction is. Okay. Now let us check out. Now, can you answer this? This is what? 1 part divided by 2, 1 by 2. This is 1 is called as numerator and 2 is called as denominator. Here, in this case it is 1 by 3, right? Here 1 by this is 1 by how many equal parts are there? 4. Similarly, you can do this. This is how much? How many parts you have? 1, and how many equal parts are there? 5. 1 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 by 6. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1 by 7. It should be equal. Then 1 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 by 8. This is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1 by 9. This is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1 by 10. Right. See, in this particular chapter, we are going to learn different kinds of fraction, and as well as how to work with an operations like addition of fraction, subtraction of fraction, division, right, then multiplication, all those stuffs you are going to learn. See, maybe in your examination 1 or 2 questions they will ask, but it is very important topic in these kind of entrance exam, right? Let us check out this types of fraction. There are 3 types of fractions. Now you got to know what is fraction and as well as what is numerator and as well as denominator. So that is a by b. A represent numerator and b represent denominator. Correct? Numerator and denominator. Now, what exactly the proper fraction? Now see here, how many parts here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 equal parts are there. Out of that 2 you have, that is 2 by 5. Here, by observing what happens here, numerator and denominator you observe, when the numerator is less than the denominator, then it is called as proper fraction, right? When the numerator is less than the denominator, in this case 2 is less than 5, that's what it is, proper fraction. So in case of improper fraction, what happens when the numerator is more than the denominator, right? Numerator is greater than denominator. So in this case, what happens here? How many pieces are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? 8, 9, right? How many? In case of improper fraction, what happens here? Total 3 pieces are there. 3, this is denominator, and as well as 7. So here what happens? Numerator is more than the denominator, then it is called as improper fraction. This also can be represented as this mixed fraction, that is 2 1 by 3. 2 pieces, 2 full pieces are there, and as well as in one piece 1 by 3. Right, this is going to, you are going to represent as a mixed fraction. Right, let us check out this complex fraction. Right, one more interesting, a fraction in which numerator or denominator or both are also fraction is called as complex fraction. In this case, what happens? In the numerator only one number is there, but in the denominator it is a fraction. What it means? A fraction in which numerator or denominator or both are also a fraction is called complex fraction. Here in the second example, you take numerator as fraction, denominator don't have fraction, that is also called as complex fraction. Then in the third example, what happens here? Numerator and as well as denominator both have fraction, so that is called as complex fraction, right? Right, main concentration what we are supposed to do here, operating all these stuffs, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. How we are going to do, that is what a very important part. I will show you all those stuffs now. Now then next is continued fraction. In case of continued fraction, what happens? A fraction that contain an additional fraction in the numerator or the denominator are called continued fractions. See, let us check out this. 2 plus 1, 2 plus again 1. You can see here continuously it is going like this, right? This is called as continued fraction, right? Let us check out the next one is the reciprocal fraction. Here in this case, what happens? If the numerator and denominator of a fraction are interchanged to each other, then the new fraction is called a reciprocal fraction. Suppose if you have 2 by 3, it's a fraction, the reciprocal of this is 3 by 2, right? Suppose if you have 3 by 8, the reciprocal of this is 8 by 3. This is called as reciprocal fraction, right? Now, in case of equivalent fraction, what happens? Fraction which represent the same ratio is called as equivalent fraction. Suppose if you consider this example, here how many pieces are there? 2 equal parts and as well as 1. But in this case, what happens? How many parts are there? 4. And so how many parts you have? That is 2. That is 2 by 4. If you simplify, this is going to be 2 1s are, right? 2 2s are. This also going to represent 1 by 2 only. That is in the same ratio. It is called as equivalent fraction. Now, here in this case, what happens? 1 by 2 is there, but here 1 2 3 4 5 6 equal parts, and how many parts you have? 3. If you simplify it, what happens here? 3 1s are, 3 2s are, 1 by 2. right, 1 by 2. This is called as equivalent fraction. See, this is 2 by 4, here 3 by 6, here what happens, 1 by 4, see, observe here, 1 part you have and 4 equal parts, here 2 by 8, 2 by 8, let us check out here, 2 by 8, 2 1s are 2 4s are, right, here in this case 1 by 4, here 3 by 12. If you simplify, you are going to get the same ratio, that is called as equivalent fraction. Now, let us check with the operations on fractions. Conversion of mixed fraction into improper fraction. What you need to do, see here, this is going to be represented as mixed fraction. To convert it into improper fraction, what you need to do, first of all, you are supposed to multiply this 4 into 2. Then you need to add plus, right? See, now what happens, 4 2s are 8, right? 8 plus 3 11. 11 by 4 is improper fraction of the mixed fraction 2 3 by 4, right? Now let us check out one more example, 5 2 by 7. So let us check out here, 7 5s, you need to multiply first, 7 5s are 35 plus 2, 37 by 7. Here you need to, this is what the conversion of mixed to improper. Okay, fine. Now in this we are going to learn the improper conversion of improper into mixed fraction, right? Now you got to know in the previous slide how to convert mixed to improper, here improper to mixed. See what you need to do for that, just divide it, 19 by 5, right? Now start dividing by this, dividing 19 by 5, 5 3s are 15, 4 remainder. So this can be represented as Q or D. Q means what? Quotient. This is quotient, this is dividend, correct? And this is divisor, and this is remainder, Q. What is Q here? Q is 3, right? Divisor, don't take dividend, divisor. Divisor is 5, right? And remainder is 4. Now you can check out this, 3 4 by 5 is the mixed fraction of this 19 by 5. Now convert it, 5 3s are 15, 15 plus 4 is 19, 19 by 5. Hope you are understanding, right? Now let us take this 29 by 8, 8 3s are 24, 5 remainder, correct? Now how you are going to represent? Q or D. Q means what? Quotient, that is 3 here. R means remainder, that is 5, and D means dividend and divisor, that is 8, correct? This is going to be 3 5 by 8, right? Right, let us check out this comparison of fraction. Whenever you want to compare the two or more fractions, what you need to do, you are supposed to take a LCM of a denominator, then you can compare. That is also one way. These kind of questions they will ask. Here see, let us check out here, 1 by 2, 3 by 4 and as well as 5 by 6. What you are supposed to do? So let me compare, 1 by 2, 3 by 4, 5 by 6. Now you are supposed to take the LCM of the denominator. So LCM of 2, 4, 6. Let me take that. 2 1s are, 2s are, 3s are. Right, that's it. So 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12. 12 is the LCM here. Right. Now 2 6 are, say divide it. Divide 12 by 2, that is 6. 6 into 1, 6. This is going to be represented in this way. Now I will represent this. Now 12 is the LCM, 4 3s are, right, 4 3s are, 4 3s are how much? 4 3s are 12, 3 3s are 9, 9 by 12. And then 6, this is 12, 6 2s are, correct? 6 2s are, then what you need to do? 2 5s are 10. First you need to convert it to this way, then later stages you can convert which is the lesser one and which is the bigger one, right? Now 6, this is automatically less and less, so 6 by 12, that is 1 by 2 of 3 by 4 which is more than that, and 5 by 6 which is more than 3 by 4. That's what you can compare in this way, that is 6 by 12 which is less than 9 by 12 which is less than 10 by 12. Or otherwise you can do like this also. This is what the ascending order you can write, or otherwise if you want to go with the descending order, that is 10 by 12, right, greater than 9 by 12, greater than 6 by 12. This is how you have to do. This is comparison. These kind of questions they will ask, you need to practice a lot. Or otherwise directly you can divide and check also. How can we divide? Let us check out this. 1 by 2, 1 divided by 2, 2, I can't divide 1 by 2, so at 0.0 I'll place 5 tens. This is going to be 0.5, correct. Let us check out this. 3 by 4, 3, right, let me write here 3 by 4. Again I can't divide, I'll put a decimal point, right. 4 7s are 28, 2, again I can take 0, 4 5s are 20. This is going to be 0.75. Now let me take this 5 by 6, 5, 6, so I can't divide 5 by 6, I'll put 0 and decimal here, 6 8s are, right, 48, 2 remainder, right. So I can take 0, right, 6 3s are 18, 2 remainder, right. You can go with the continuous, so 0.83. So let me start with the 2 decimal points, that is 0.83. Now you can check out this. Whichever you feel comfortable, you can adapt and solve the problem, right. Let us check this addition of fraction when denominators are equal. When the denominators are equal, it's very simple, you just add like this. See here, add the numerator and keep the denominator same as all the denominators of the fraction. Now what is going to happen? So this 8 and 7 plus 3, 10, 10 plus 1, 11. This is the answer, right, 11 by 8. When the denominators of the fraction is same, just add the numerator and keep the denominator as it is. This is the answer for addition of fraction, right. Now addition of fractions, if the denominators are not equal, then what you need to do, you are supposed to take LCM and then you simplify it. Let us check out this 8 3 4, because 3 by 8 we need to add 3 by 8 plus 2 by 3 plus 1 by 4. By observing here the denominators are different, let me take the LCM for 8 3 4. We start dividing by 2, 2 4s are, right, 3 I can't divide, 2 2s are. Again I'll go with the 2, right, 2 2s are 3 and 1s. Further division is not possible, so what we can do, you start multiplying it. This is going to be 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, right, 3 2s are 6, 12, 24. 24 is the LCM here. LCM is 24, you keep it like that. Then now divide 24 by 8. 24 divided by 8, what you are going to get? 3. That 3 multiplied by to this 3, that is 3 into 3, plus now 24 divided by 3, now what you will get? 8. That 8 should be multiplied with the numerator of the second, that is 2, plus 4, 24, that divided by 6, that divided by 4, which is going to be 6, 6 into 1, 1. Now multiply it, 9 plus 8 2s are 16 plus 6 1s are 6 by 24. Now add it. So 16 plus 9 is 25, 25 plus 6 is 31, 31 by 24. This is the answer. They may ask you in mixed fraction also, at that time what you need to do. So you know that QRD, right? Now what you need to do, 31 that divided by 24. 24 ones are 24. We are going to get how much? 31 minus 24 is 7. The answer is Q. Q is how much? Quotient is 1, right? R is 7 and 24. So 7 by 24 is the mixed fraction way of representing this 31 by 24. Hope you understood. Similarly, subtraction also of fraction is also same. If the denominator is same, just subtract the numerator. See what happens here? 9, correct? That divided by, right, 9. So now 8 minus 4 is 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. This is the answer, correct? Subtract the numerators and keep the denominator same as all the denominators of the fraction. Fine. Let us go with the next one, that is when the denominators are not equal. The same way what we did it for addition. Now what we need to do, first of all we are supposed to take LCM. For 3 and 2, the LCM is 3 and 2 only, because both are prime co-prime. So now 3 2s are 6 is the LCM, right? Now what we need to do, 6 divided by 3 you will get 2. That 2 should be multiplied with this 2. 2 2s are 4, or otherwise I will write like this, 2 into 2 minus 2, 6 divided by 2, which you are going to get 3. This 3 should be multiplied with 1. 3 1s are 3, correct? 2 2s are 4 minus 3 1s are 3 by 6. 4 minus 3 is 1. 1 by 6 is the answer. Fine. So now go with the multiplication of fraction. It's very simple. If they have given any mixed fraction, convert it into improper fraction, and what you need to do, multiply the numerator which gives the numerator of the product, multiply the denominator to get the denominator of the product. Let us take this 2 by 3 into 1 by 2. What we need to do, so there is no, they have not given any mixed fraction, directly multiply this. 2 1s are 2, 3 2s are 6, 2 by 6 is the answer, right? But if they gave, say 1 2 by 3 into 7 by 8, then what we need to do, first of all we are supposed to convert it into improper fraction. How we will convert? So multiply this and then add this. 3 1s are 3, 3 plus 2, 5 by 3 into 7 by 8. 7 5s are 35 by 24. This is the answer. Okay. Suppose in case of division, what you need to do, interchange the position of numerator and denominator of the fraction. That's it. To divide one fraction, the dividend, by another fraction, divisor is equivalent to multiplying the dividend by the inverse of its divisor. See, let us check this. 2 by 3, that divided by 1 by 2, right? Otherwise this also they may give in this way, 2 by 3, that divided by 1 by 2. What we need to do, it's very simple, 2 by 3, convert it into this multiplication aspect, and as well as interchange the position of the divisor. That is, divisor is here 1 by 2, so this will go 2 upwards, that is this, the new denominator becomes numerator and numerator becomes denominator, 1 by 2 by 1, that is 2 2s are 4 by 3. This is the answer, right? Hope you understood. Let us solve a lot of problems. I am going to solve around 25-30 problems based on fraction, so that you will understand. Fine. Okay, thank you.